All right, y'all. So it's been about y'all, my scalp. It's been about 2 weeks since I last washed my hair, and my scalp is on fire. Okay, I have never ever shown y'all my scalp on this channel before, and I don't know if I want to do it now, but if I want to be all the way transparent with y'all, you know, about my scalp issues, well then I need to show y'all my scalp. So, now I don't know, like, if the really bad areas are gonna look super bad right now because I sprayed water, but I don't know if y'all can see this or not, but this is my scalp. Very dry. Y'all see that? Like, the problem is really, really bad, and it doesn't, like, I don't know what this is, but it is really bad. Like, it gets so bad sometimes to where it starts to bleed if I scratch it too much. I don't know what that is called. If anybody knows, let me know. I've had this problem my entire life. I actually inherited it from my mom. She has the same problem. It's really bad, like in the middle of my head and right in the front. Y'all see that? It's pretty bad. And my hair can get like this if I don't use the right oils. My hair can get like this about 4 days after I wash it. Yeah, it's that serious. Let's see, this also. Yeah, it's really bad. It's really, really itchy. A lot of times after I wash my hair is still itching after I wash it. It's still itches sometimes after I wash it. Okay, let me show y'all this. This is just unbelievable. See all that? Yeah, so that's my scalp, y'all, for the most part. Yeah, that's my scalp. So anyway, so I'm about to wash my hair, and of course I wash my hair in 4 sections. Always wash it in 4 sections. And after I get out, all I'm gonna do is moisturize my hair with some of this, since I don't have any of my other oil left over. My sister gave me this. This is by Naturals. You can see that? This is a twisting butter. You can use it for locks, or you can use it for your twists. And this is all I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna use, oh, and I might use some of that, some of this. So I can have some type of hold. Can y'all see that? There we go. I'm gonna use this too, yeah. And all I'm gonna do is put my hair in 4 plaits. That's how I wear my hair when I have to wait for it to dry, because it's really late right now, and that's all I'm gonna be able to do to my hair, and it's not gonna be dry tomorrow in order for me to go about my day. So I'm just going to wear a wig tomorrow, and then tomorrow night I'm going to style my hair, and I'm going to record that and record the next day when I'm taking it out. So let me go ahead and do this, y'all. I don't have any type of special shampoo that I use at this point in time. I really love the shampoo from my girl. Let me go get it real quick, hold on. I really love this, Clothes by Nature Tea Tree Mint friggin' cleanser. Y'all, this stuff is bomb. It makes your scalp feel absolutely amazing. Don't have hardly any left. So I'm just gonna use what I have left and just some regular old shampoo that I have, like nothing special at all. It probably got all kind of harmful stuff that I don't need to be putting in my hair, but I need to get my hair clean. Look at all of that I just scratched up. It's just, ugh, I can't stand my scalp. When I tell y'all, my hair has always been like this. Just always been like this. But, and sometimes some of these oils trick me and make me think that, you know, it's healed my scalp when it's really just temporary. Yeah. But I love my Fluffy Puffs Regal 7 Growth Oil. It keeps it at bay for a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But of course it comes back. It comes back, but I still love that oil though, y'all. Still love it. Yeah, look at this. Oh my God. Ugh. Yeah, let me get in the shower. All right, y'all, so I'm freshly out of the shower. Oh my God, I'm so exhausted. And yeah, it's pretty clean, but you can still see some flakes. You see like loose flakes, because I can't, since I don't have a relaxer, I can't like scratch the dandruff up and then comb it out, because like it's, I don't know how to explain it, but when you have natural hair, it's hard to get all of that out of there. You know what I'm saying? And down the strand. So yeah, I got some loose flakes over here. See that? The scalp is clean though. The scalp is clean. The scalp is clean. At least I think it is. Because I wash each section twice. So yeah, remember that was inflamed and now it's nice and clean. All right. So yeah, this side is clean also. All right, so now all I'm gonna do is do the same thing that I showed y'all in my last video, is moisturize and just braid my hair up in 4 sections. And that's it, and I'll be wearing a wig tomorrow until I style it tomorrow night. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. This is gonna be a braid out. Hopefully, y'all, it turns out like it's been turning out. I'm not gonna put any more oil in my hair. I have plenty of oil in there. Just gonna take it out and separate it. Yeah, y'all, my hair has been drying for 2 days. So, ooh, looks like I got some good definition in there. Oh yeah. Hope y'all can see me real good. Y'all let me know how the camera quality is in the comments, please, please, please. And y'all, I'm about to put a rinse on my hair. Like, I thought I was gonna go to the beauty shop and get it done, but I think I could go ahead and do it myself. Even though I don't want to get like everything all black and my tub black, like, oh, my shower. Oh show all this. So I'm going to throw it to the side and get to going through these roots so y'all can't see my part. I'm gonna wear it like all over like this. To do a mukbang. We are doing scampi shrimp and scampi lobster. Y'all let me know if y'all ever heard of scampi lobster. Never heard of it or have I had it. And you know what, do I need to put a pin right there? Because it looks like it's just gonna stay over like that. You know, yeah, I'm gonna secure it. I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin. Yeah, y'all, and I'm making that, and I'm making cheddar bay biscuits from scratch, y'all. Gluten-free ones too. And I cannot wait. So I'm gonna take a pin and I'm just going to pin that up so that it'll stay like with some height to it, and then fluff this out. Like this totally needs to be thumbnail. This is cute, y'all. Loving it. Yeah, if y'all don't know anything about my hair is always frizzy. It didn't always have a bunch of definition, but the definition I do have, I love. And this is enough for me. This is enough. So make sure you go through those roots real good. Oh yeah, this is a win. This is a W. Yes, it is. Let's see. Give it some shape. And this is it, y'all. And this is it, y'all. This is it, y'all. This is it, y'all. Ooh, yes, honey. Loving it. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all the back. Hopefully it look right, y'all. Hope it looks right back there, y'all. But anyway, so if y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a big old thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video everywhere you share videos. And y'all, I'm not sure how many times I'm gonna be uploading on this channel. I was thinking about every day, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it every day. So let me know how many times you guys want me to upload. I'm thinking around 2 to 3 times a week. Yeah, and y'all let me know what kind of videos that y'all wanna see. I already have some planned already, but let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see. All right, so I can get those out for you. And if you're not following me on my Yummy Bites TV channel, go ahead and do that. I also have a family vlog channel. It's called Yummy Bites TV Behind the Scenes. And yeah, y'all, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.